Hi everyone, and welcome to PayFunds. In this video, I will show you how to send your cryptocurrency from PayFunds to another wallet or exchange. Before we start, make sure you are using the latest updated version of the PayFunds app. Once updated, open the app and log in to your account. After logging in, you will see your available funds on the home screen. You can check your balance and see which coins you currently hold. In our case, we are going to send USDT on the TRC20 network. Simply tap on USDT from your list of coins. At the top, you will see the Send option, and you can also find it within the Coin Details page. Since we want to send, tap on Send. Here, you will see your available balance, which in our example is 10 USDT. You can send the full amount or enter a custom amount. Next, you need to enter the recipient's address. You can paste the address or scan the QR code. In this example, we are sending to Binance. So let's go to Binance and get the deposit address. In Binance, tap on the wallet option in the bottom corner, then select Deposit. Choose USDT as the coin you want to receive. Binance will then ask you to select a network. Since we are sending TRC20 USDT, select TRC20 from the network list. You will now see your Binance deposit address. You can either scan the QR code or simply tap Copy to copy the address. Now go back to PayFunds and paste the copied address into the recipient field. Tap Next. The app will show you a confirmation screen with the amount and a small network fee. Review the details carefully, and if everything is correct, tap Send. Your transaction will be processed, and within a short time, the funds will arrive in the recipient wallet. In our example, the 10 USDT have been successfully received in our Binance account, as shown in the deposit history. And that's it. Sending cryptocurrency from PayFunds is quick, easy, and secure. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and remember, PayFunds, your keys, your crypto, your freedom.